That's everything in the big box. Oh, look at that, a pump. And in the little box, an even smaller box with the charger. But wait, there's more. The manual and the tools, the stem, the kickstand, and the pedals. I should probably mount this first. There's a little gap here that slides over this. And then I just use my giant foot to help it out. Now I want to put the wheel in the correct way. Wherever this stuff here is, that's where this metal piece goes. The most important part of the wheel, the skewer. So go ahead and just shish kebab it. And it's important for this piece to go in that little hole right there. So here's that piece on the other side. Spring and the cap. Now I just tighten it as much as I can and then push this up. I like how this manual actually mentions everything. The fender is next. This is my favorite part. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this screw here with my bare hands. Or maybe not. And I'm gonna stuff it through this hole right here. Love this part. It's my favorite because it always goes really smoothly. Now I gotta attach the fender over here on both sides. Next is the stem, and it says to adjust it to desired height. I don't think I'll know unless the seat's in. So there's a little knobby thing here that you turn, which tightens it. And then you pull this down, and it should be really hard to do. Oh, I actually know. Let's fix that. It should be, according to them, parallel with the tube. I was thinking put it down, so if I want to take the battery out, it won't be in the way, because this way is in the way. So here it shows you how much you can adjust it. And I still don't really know where I want it, so I'm just gonna leave it where it is for now. So over here, under this thing, there is a screw. So I'm gonna take my beefiest Allen key and tighten down this stem. It'll be a lot more aesthetically pleasing if I put this back in here. Now, I gotta undo these screws so I can put the handlebars in. Those are some really greasy screws. Next, the pedals. The right one screws in clockwise. The left one goes in counterclockwise. Then I'm gonna take my super fancy wrench and make sure this is tightened down. I'm actually really impressed that the manual mentions everything, including this rack. My tripod just gave me a sliver. So over down here, there's 4 screws. 2 right here and 2 down here. Now that everything is tightened down, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. And as adorable as this little pump is, it doesn't tell me the PSI, but it works. Oh, and this right here, that moves the seat so you can pull out the battery. So you have to undo this. Unlock the battery, and now you can pull it out. Once it's fully charged, that light will be green. Hold down M to turn the bike on. Plus and minus buttons you can use to adjust the pedal assist level, and this turns on the lights. Oh, you're probably not gonna see this, but I did get it up to 20 miles an hour on pedal assist 5 full throttle. Let's see if I can do it again. Yep, 20 miles an hour on pedal assist 1. Caps out at about 10 miles per hour. On pedal assist 2, just holding the throttle, nothing else, it caps out at 12.5 miles per hour. Again, throttle only, woo, that was bumpy. It caps out at 14:15. On level 4, it's capping out at 17.9, 18. Oh, my favorite hill. I'm just gonna throttle my little buns up this hill. Pedal assist 4, up a hill, 10 point something miles per hour. No pedal assist. I'm gonna show you how fast it goes compared to pedal assist. So we'll go from nothing to pedal assist 5. So now I'm gonna put it on pedal assist 5. Same thing, but watch how much faster it goes. So it kind of starts off slow and then kicks in after a few pedals. I'm already at 15 miles per hour. Ooh, sexy. Look at my helmet head. I'm 5'8". This bike accommodates riders 5'4" to 6'5". The seat's not bad. My tushy doesn't hurt. The max weight this will hold, 264 pounds. The motor is 350 watts, 500 watt peak. You've sort of seen the headlight. Now I'm gonna turn them on. It's daytime, so that's not very effective, but I do want to see if this one came on. Yes. Look at the pretty view here. That water doesn't look so good. It's still pretty though. A full charge takes about 6 hours. That's from a dead battery. On a full charge, you get about 30 to 45 miles per charge. So full throttle, you're gonna get less. Pedal assist, you're gonna get more. Alrighty, that's it. If you like the bike, I'll have a link down below in the video's description. Cheesy outro time. Toodaloo-doo-lee-loo. Bye.